Welcome to the iPhone 16 Pro unboxing and first impressions. As always, Apple's packaging is sleek and minimal. Let's take a look at what we have in the box. Right here at the top, we have the iPhone 16 Pro, neatly presented, waiting to make a statement. The design feels familiar, but with some fresh refinements. This year's iPhone lineup, including the iPhone 16, features an additional camera button, which we'll discuss in more detail later. In the box, you'll find the usual, a USB-C to USB-C cable, offering faster charging and broader compatibility. This year, there's no Apple sticker, as part of Apple's commitment to becoming carbon neutral by 2030. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro feels like a polished powerhouse, with camera upgrades and the addition of a new camera button. But is it worth the upgrade? That's something you'll have to decide for yourself. In my initial tests, I found the button to be placed a bit too far and not very intuitive to use. However, I might change my mind once I get used to it. I adjusted the settings in accessibility, as the default sensitivity was to high for me. The most challenging part so far has been mastering the double tap gesture, ensuring I don't accidentally press the shutter button. Let's take a closer look at the phone and compare it to the previous iPhone 15 Pro model. The phone is slightly larger overall, providing a slightly bigger screen with thinner bezels. However, you won't really notice the difference, unless you compare it side by side with the previous model. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe.